In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily know when a reel was posted on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app, and once it is done, just tap right here to go to Reels. Let's say we want to know when that particular reel was posted on Instagram, and unfortunately we cannot get that information from here. The only way to do so is go to author's Instagram profile, to the person's profile who shared that reel, and after that we need to switch from Reels tab to this post view. That will show us all the posts and reels from that particular user. And after that we need to scroll down until we find the reel which creation date we would like to check, and once we find it, all we have to do is just tap at that reel, and then if we scroll down a bit it will show us the creation date for each reel, so we can easily then scroll down or up, and that's how we can easily check creation date of any reel. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.